Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Earning Lady Chitra. So, this channel is about all the Oriflame products. So, this is the Love and Nature soaps. So, one is of rose and one is of aloe vera. So, if you want to buy the soaps, please comment down and please put your address and phone number so that we can deliver it to you. Oriflame Love and Nature soap bar with moisturizing olive oil and aloe vera. Fragrance soap bar and with natural olive oil and aloe vera helps to leave skin feeling soft and smooth, clean and fresh, fully biodegradable formulation. Two best ingredients in the Oriflame Love and Nature Rose Soap Bar are rose extract, spicators wood oil. Further, more information about them. Rose extract help to minimize redness and irritation in the skin. Spicators wood oil, also known as sandalwood oil, has smoothing, cooling, and moisturizing properties. If you want to buy this, you can download the Oriflame app. And if you want to join Oriflame, you can just follow me on my Instagram.